Why did thousands of people abandon one of Arizona's richest towns? High on Cleopatra Hill sits Jerome, Arizona. In the late 1800s, rich copper deposits were discovered in the mountains above the Verde Valley. Thousands of miners rushed to Jerome, turning it into one of Arizona's largest mining towns. At its peak, more than 15,000 people called Jerome home. Jerome became known as the wickedest town in the West because of its gambling halls, saloons, and rough mining town reputation. But when the mines eventually closed, most residents moved away. Jerome nearly became a ghost town. Today, visitors from around the world explore its historic streets, haunted buildings, and incredible mountain views. Would you visit Jerome?